about non-living things. Okay, we have explained about that. The next topic,
The next topic is about water.
water.
Yes. But the water, there are some question, but checkpoint question about water. For example, like this, teacher asks about this. What is the characteristic of water? The characteristic of water, it's full the shape of container. For example, like jar, vase, and the other. And then like this, Miss. What activities that we need with water? They are like cooking, washing car, taking a bath, and the others.
Okay, water. Water. Living things already. One more topic. What is it about?
Non-living things.
No, that's one topic. Living things and non-living things.
Living things and non-living things and water. Only that one, Miss. Check one question.
Only about that.
Yes, one, Miss. January and February. And then the last is about living things and non-living things. But that one, Miss. Only that one. Source of water. The last.
Source of water.
Yes, but only from the LP, only that one put checkpoint question from Rainbow Science.
How about non-living things? What did you ask?
Can you give me the example of non-living things? The example of non-living things like table, bag, pen, or doll, and the others.
Okay, so today, what have you reviewed?
Today, on Tuesday,
This sounds great.
it's about Unit 2 and Unit 3, Tuesday. But that one. And today, we asked about little step, Miss, on Tuesday.
What is it about?
Little steps is about Unit 6 and Unit 7. Unit 6 is about, the title is about what kinds of different clothes that we wear. And then second is about Unit 7 from on February, we just asked about what can we do with our sense.
Okay, the homework from Unit 2, right? Can you mention some words that you have explained, that you have reviewed for today?
For today, just Unit 3, Unit 2 and Unit 3. But I want to give you the example
This is
of
about
Unit 2.
completing the words based on the pictures. So there are 6 pictures, and I asked only 2. What is the words that are related to the picture?
Wet and tat.
No.
Pet.
Pardon?
Pet. Pet. Pet.
No. What have you reviewed actually for today?
Unit
The
3.
sounds.
Unit 3, add, egg, and add. And Unit 2 for today.
Yes. My question is the words that you have reviewed based on the picture, on Unit 2, right? You reviewed this morning.
Yes, Miss. Unit 2 still about that one.
Yes, this is
That-
from 10 until 14 February. The homework. The homework from 10 until 14 February. There are 6 pictures, and then they need to fill based on the sounds that you have said just now, right? Egg.
Egg, en, ete.
Yeah. So the words. What is the words?
About a hand.
What are the words?
Hand. At, wet. Wet, no. Wet.
Yeah.
And pet. Net.
Wet. Correct. Is correct. And then one more. There are 6 actually. I just want to ask 2 or 3. What and
Pen. Pet.
no.
Only that one, Miss.
There is
Egg,
not.
pe, wet.
What just now correct? That's correct. That was correct. There's one. Okay, we move to the next. in this second part, you ask them to circle, right? To circle, there are 3 pictures, and then you ask them to choose which one is the correct answer. Yes, right? Now, you ask them to, you review this with them, right? You have reviewed this with them today. And then I want to ask only 2. What is the picture about?
Them.
Them and
Jam. Rem.
yes. Okay.
Must
This one you
memorize
remember.
Actually, that one is me make like I make like that. But
Okay. Now the next one, the little steps. What are the CP questions that you have reviewed with them for the little steps for today?
for today, I asked them about Unit 6 and Unit 7. For example, like this, there are some questions like, what are teddy bears wearing? What the clothes? What different kinds of clothes that we wear?
Teddy
What are
bears.
teddy bears wearing? The teddy bears are wearing scarf.
January or February?
January, that one.
January.
Yes.
Hmm.
Scarf and wig. And then this the next question, what are girls wearing? The girls are wearing skirt and dress. And the third question, what are boys and girls wearing? The boys are wearing blue tie and the girls wear scarf, green scarf.
Okay. Next.
Next question is still about the clothes, right? What kind of clothes that we sorry
No,
miss.
no, already.
Already,
I want to
but-
ask the next topic. The next topic.
The next topic is about what can we do with our sense.
Sense.
Yes.
Hmm.
Some question from on February about that one like this about what is he doing? He is smelling the flowers. Okay. What is the story about? The story is about apple pie. And the third, what will you use when your mother give you apple pie? We can use our taste, our see, taste, and touch. And then next, what is your favorite candy flavor? My favorite candy flavor is strawberry.
You review 5 here, 5 CP questions, 5 topics. I mean,
But
What
you say
else?
some of them.
yeah, one more. What's the
One
topic
more
about?
is
You have explained 2 just now, right? You still have 3 more, right? But I want to ask one more. What is it about?
still about that one is still about what can we do with our sense. Only that one means you just see. You need since January and February. What can we do with our sense and what kinds of different clothes that we wear? Only like that.
There's one more. And then the question, there are 4, 8,
Sorry.
8. The apple pie already, the sense already, and then
What she will put on when she cannot see. What is her favorite? What do you like? Favorite smell like? My favorite smell like a cake and pizza. That's right.
favorite smell
Yes.
and
Favorite smells and favorite candy, right? Favorite flavor.
already, favorite flavor.
What do you see? What she will put on when she cannot see clearly? She will put on glasses.
Okay, there's one more actually. Okay, so for tomorrow, what will you do?
For tomorrow, we still about the Sanskrit and rainbow math.
What will you review for the Sanskrit tomorrow?
But unit 3 and unit 4.
What is it about?
But unit 3 is about still about egg and at, and for the unit 4, if, it and in. If, it, ik, and in.
Samples?
For example, unit 4 like beep, rip, it, lit, kit, ik, big, week, and in, pin, fin, bin.
Next for ISP
On Friday. On
Yeah.
Thursday, cari
Thurs-
baju tulis.
yeah, on Friday, right?
On
Friday's
Friday
ISP, what will you review?
is about ASP Sains and ASP Bahasa.
Hmm.
ASP Sains itu mengenai rekreasi, pekerjaan, air, udara, dan api. Begitu juga dengan ASP Bahasa mengenai rekreasi, pekerjaan, air, udara, dan api.
Oke, yang akan Miss review itu apa? Untuk
Checkpoint question.
untuk checkpoint questions di bulan Januari.
Di bulan Januari itu mengenai rekreasi seperti
Ada dua kan? Ada dua topik pertama. Maksud saya ada dua CP question pertama di bulan Januari. Apa itu?
Contohnya sebutkan tiga jenis kendaraan yang kamu ketahui. Saya mengetahui kendaraan seperti air, udara, dan darat. Yang kedua, sebutkan bagian-bagian dari mobil. Ada setir, ban, roda, pintu, kaca spion, dan lain-lain.
Oke, untuk Februari?
Tentang mengenai pekerjaan. Sebutkan jenis pekerjaan yang kamu ketahui. Sorry, Miss. Mengenai pekerjaan, tapi mengenai berat dan ringan. Contohnya, mana yang lebih berat? Batu atau kertas? Yang lebih berat itu adalah batu. Batu. Kemudian, manakah yang lebih berat? Apakah lebih berat gajah atau kucing? Yang lebih berat itu adalah gajah. Sebutkan jenis kendaraan pendek. Contohnya itu mobil, sepeda motor. Itu ASP Sains.
Oke, untuk ASP Bahasa, apa nanti yang akan Miss review?
ASP Bahasa juga mengenai rekreasi, pekerjaan, air, udara, dan api.
Oke, untuk Januari nanti apa yang
Untuk Januari itu menanyakan tentang sebutkan jenis kendaraan yang kamu ketahui. 3 jenis, air, udara, darat. Sebutkan jenis kendaraan yang ada di darat, mobil, sepeda motor, dan sepeda. Coba kamu sebutkan kata yang sama diawali dengan kata kucing. Seperti itu. Yang kemudian yang terakhir
untuk
Februari itu mengenai jenis pekerjaan.
Misalnya?
Coba kamu sebutkan jenis pekerjaan apa yang ada di bidang kesehatan, dokter, perawat. Kemudian ya, Miss.
Ada 4 pertanyaan sebenarnya.
Iya, Miss. Sebutkan jenis pekerjaan yang kamu ketahui. Guru, perawat, dokter.
Sudah tadi.
Ya, Miss, tapi ini sama juga, Miss. Dokter. Oh, sorry.
Bagaimana mungkin pertanyaannya sama? Topiknya yang sama, tapi pertanyaannya berbeda. Tadi
dokter.
Sudah, jenis pekerjaan tadi sudah. Guru, perawat, dokter. Apalagi?
Petani.
Iya, itu masih satu pertanyaan. Pertanyaan lain apa? Apalagi?
Oh, jenis yang lain tuh ya, Miss.
Karena di Februari ini kan topiknya sama ya. Tapi pertanyaannya berbeda, ada 4 pertanyaan kan?
Iya. Petani bekerja di mana? Petani bekerja di sawah. Pak Pos bekerja di mana? Pak Pos bekerja di kantor pos.
Oke, untuk yang mods masih di bulan Februari itu ada 2 ya. Coba sebutkan 1, Miss.
Februari, Miss.
Masih di Februari dia, antara 17 sampai 21 Februari. Ada 2 pertanyaan. Ini yang bagian mods.
Di manakah Pak Pos bekerja?
Bukan.
Apa jenis pekerjaan yang apa jenis pekerjaan yang ada di bidang kesehatan? Bahasa ya, Miss?
Bahasa, Miss.
Sebutkan 3 jenis pekerjaan yang kamu ketahui.
Udah itu tadi, sudah. Masih berhubungan dengan pekerjaan juga. Satu masih berhubungan dengan pekerjaan, dan pertanyaan yang kedua itu
Di manakah
berhubungan
kamu
dengan topik yang baru.
di manakah kamu di manakah kamu di manakah petani bekerja? Ya, Miss. Yang baru apa?
Tidak.
Air, udara, dan api ya? Oh ya, tunggu, Miss. Air, udara.
Apa pertanyaannya?
Apa itu lilin?
Bukan.
Jadi apa sih, Miss? What is that?
Jangan tanya saya yang menanyakan Miss di sini. Kan Miss buat ini untuk hari Jumat. Ada 2 pertanyaan. Satu topiknya itu tentang tadi yang sudah menjelaskan air, udara, dan api. Satu lagi topiknya tentang pekerjaan. Yang saya tanyakan adalah pertanyaannya apa Miss buat di sini?
Ya udah tuh, Miss, sebutkan 3 jenis pekerjaan yang kamu
Bukan, itu
ketahui.
tadi sudah.
Terus, Miss.
Oke. Right, I think that's all for the evaluation for today, Miss. Based on the questions that I have asked to you, some of them you couldn't answer. So I'm sorry to say that you should repeat again this evaluation, Miss. Thank you so much.